Yo, what is up guys, and welcome to this video. This is your favorite YouTuber slash the modern day philosopher, and welcome to this video. We basically created a function where we could make multiple instances of these cubes. We've definitely created a function which allows us to set some geometry, set a color, and also place it somewhere on the x-axis, so we get a position for the cubes that we're going to generate or create or make. So now let's have an array where we can say const cubes, and then make an array, and then say take this function, and then basically just make your cubes. So what geometry do you want to set? We already have the geometry just from early on. Where is the geometry from early on? It should be up here. That's the one, right? So we want to set that. Then we want to set the other parameters. We want to set just some color. I don't know. Color equals white. And then we can also set the, what is it called? The x-axis to 0. No, maybe set it to 3. No, maybe set it to 2. Yes. Then we want to create 3 more. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's an array, of course. It's not a function, so please just set a comma. Then let's make another one, and it should be green. Let us check here. Alright, we will fix this in the other video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below. See you in the next one.